Hello, my name is Audrey DeGrazia, and I will be discussing why cyber vetting is ethical and necessary in today's workplace. So, to start off, why I believe that it is okay, I don't think that there's necessarily anything wrong with accessing public information about certain people, whether that be in interviews, or a screening process, just to get to know the person a little bit better. One of my quotes that I was interested in discussing was people who cyber vet can access more and different information about current and prospective employees, employers, etc. Such vetting is often labeled internet surveillance, background checks, screening. Um, and I think that this is just a way for people to feel more comfortable with who they are possibly hiring. I think that if you necessarily are aware that the public that it is posted online, that anyone can honestly see it, and I think anyone includes prospective bosses and employers. Um, and it goes back and forth too, whether or not you care about screening what who can see what information and whatnot. Another reason why I think cyber vetting is okay is because it is a good way to understand that person better because you put on a front in most interviews. And I think that when you tend to interview for yourself for a job or position, you put on this front of what they want to hear and not necessarily who you necessarily are. Where I don't necessarily think that's a super bad thing, but it is just a way to get to know the person a little better because you don't think it's appropriate or professional to discuss what you like anything that you post in like a casual way. Another quote that I was interested in was more than half of the employers who use social media screening admit they have not hired someone because of what they found online. I think that's very important. I think that um, you could possibly hire someone, and if you don't cyber vet for them, they could turn out to be this completely different person than who you initially spoke to. This is just another way why I think this is okay. And then what some of my last reasons was any vulgar and discriminatory postings will be addressed, and that validates a candidate to not hire someone if they so feel. And I think that this is very important. Depending on which job that you are interviewing for, they don't want someone unprofessional and that posts very negligent, disrespectful, rude things. Some examples of content available on the social network profiles are provocative, pornographic, heavy drinking or illegal drug use is also very, you don't necessarily want that in a person that you are interviewing for. Um, Falsified educational or professional experience is also something that you want to look for in the piece. People might claim it's a violation of privacy and stuff, but if you put that out there, you should be aware that anyone could see that. So it's more so grounding yourself and to understand that what you do might be seen by your boss, and maybe you shouldn't post it. So that is just a couple of the reasons why I think that cyber vetting is okay and ethical to use in professional practices. So thank you.